Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. When I got the Friendcation palette, this shade right here, A Moment, just totally inspired me. And then when I got the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I was like, New Year's Eve look. So this is the look I came up with. I am obsessed with it. This is how I envisioned it, and I'm so excited with how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going in with that really light purple shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just popping that in the crease with my Morphe M441 brush. This is just acting as like the transition shade because it's so light. Now I'm going in with the light purple shade and the purple shade that's above that, and I'm sweeping that in the crease, and this was just so pretty. I absolutely loved it, and I really just built up the color. Now I'm going in with those two purples and that blue shade, and again just really sweeping it in the crease, building up the shade, and it is so pretty. Ugh, I'm just so in love with this look. So I'm going in with my Morphe, oh my god, I just forgot the name, I'll leave it down below, but this brush, I love it to smoke everything out, so that's what I'm doing, smoking everything out. Now I'm going back in with that blue and just popping that on the outer V with a dome brush. Now I'm going in with some concealer just to really give my eyes like a half cut crease effect, and just so I can lay down that shade A Moment from the Friendcation palette so it really pops, because I didn't really want it to mix with that purple and blue in the crease. So that is just why I'm doing this. Also, I'm sorry, when I was showing the shades from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I was having an issue holding it. Now I'm taking A Moment on a brush, and I am just patting that on the lid nicely until I get it to how I really wanted it. I wish my camera was picking up how this shade changes from blue and purple. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm just using my finger to really fill in any gaps. And now I'm going back in with the three colors that I used in the crease, the two purples and that blue, and putting that on the lower lash line just to really smoke out this look. I love doing that. It is one of my favorite things ever. I just feel like it really pulls the look together when you do this. Next, I'm going with my Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and just putting that on my lashes just to kind of prep them for the falsies I'm about to put on in a second. Now for my false lashes, I'm using my Shop Vivid Rose lashes in the style Pink, and just putting those on. I was having some issues. Normally I use tweezers, but as you can see here, I ditched the tweezers and I start using my fingers to apply them as best as I can. I was having like kind of an issue, but I feel like they look okay. So now I'm putting mascara on just to really blend everything together. I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face. And I'm back, just loving this look. And for lips, I am using my Fenty Gloss Bomb, just something simple and neutral. Looks really pretty all together. And this is the completed look. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what you're doing for New Year's Eve. If you're going out, have fun, be safe. I'm just gonna sit at home in my jammies, probably play Sims, because that's normally what I do like every New Year's Eve. It's really weird, I don't know why. But if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see next, please let me know in the comments down below as well. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!